You ready for your fall homeowner list? We're here to help. Hi, it's Robin Burdette with RE/MAX West End. I'm here with Joey Donofrio Associates, a great home inspection company. And today I want to talk to you about what you're going to be doing in the fall. Because if you start putting all these things into your calendar, like Joey keeps saying, of setting time reminders, then it's not going to be so overwhelming to maintain your largest investment. So today we want to talk about the fall. So Joey, what are a couple things that we need to think of when we think of the fall?
Well, the first thing that comes to mind is the leaves are so beautiful and then they fall off the trees. And so we want to make sure with the start of your fall maintenance that you're clearing your gutters of leaves and debris. Again, we want to make sure your gutters, your downspouts are all clear so moisture can get away from the house, and that you're picking them up off the yard and getting them away from the house. So clear your gutters of leaves and debris, and you might have to do that multiple times. Also, you want to begin to prepare your exterior faucets for winterization. As we go in the winter months, the last thing you want to do is your pipes to freeze. When water freezes, it gets bigger, it expands, and it can potentially crack your pipes. And so we want to winterize our hose bibs, and we do that by locating our interior shutoffs. So where are your exterior hose bib shutoffs on the inside of the house, shutting them off, turning them on the outside to allow moisture to come out, and then there's a little
Pressure valve?
yeah, like a pressure release valve.
There.
So a pressure release valve on the side of it where we can turn it. It allows moisture to come in, or allows air to come in. It's like a straw. Puts air into the pipes and allows the rest of the moisture to fall out.
And this is really critical. I cannot tell you how many times I have had or heard of people that they forgot the spigot that's underneath the bay window in the front, and they have a frozen pipe. It's a simple thing, very easy to do, and in the spring just open it back up and water will be yours again to wash windows and everything else. But it is really critical. So Joey, I want to go back to the gutter thing though.
Yeah. Gutter
Covers. There's so many of them. There's, little plastic ones, because with leaves in our area, which we love our leaves, but we don't like our leaves. And then there's some that go gutter helmet, or the ones that go all the way over. Are there any that are better or worse as far as a home inspection or problems or anything that you run into?
Yeah, I think the gutter helmet ones are really great. I think sometimes you see grates on top of the gutters so nothing gets inside the gutters, but what ends up happening is the leaves can still sit on top of your gutter guards.
Okay.
And you want to make sure, again, leaves are still off, so it's never really maintenance free.
Right.
It's just less maintenance.
That's a good point.
So it's I'm just getting on the ladder and I'm just making sure that there's not as many leaves. It's probably an easier job to do, but there's still some maintenance. You don't want to just rely on your gutter guards and then water's still pouring over the edge of your gutters. So make sure leaves are clear and that there's not blocking anywhere where moisture can get in.
Homeowner maintenance, it's always fun, always an opportunity to learn, and hope you guys are learning something again today. It's Robin Burdette with RE/MAX West End. We'll talk to you guys soon.